Dear biology aspirants, right now I have the NCERT book of biology, and here I would like to discuss the bryophytes. Bryophytes, you will see here the design of the plants, and you will get this in moist area of the hills. When you go to the hills and the moist area, you will find the bryophytes. And the bryophytes include the live wort and Merkensia, female thallus, male thallus, mosses, funaria, gametophyte and sporophyte, sphagnum, gametophyte. These are the variants of the plants, and it will be seen in the hills of the moisture places of the hills. These are the amphibians of the plant kingdom, because these plants live in soil but dependent on water for sexual reproduction. So this is the character of amphibians. They usually occur in damp, humid and shaded localities. So the most important factor is here, that you will see the damp and humid. Moisture is the most important factor for the growing of the plant. They play an important role in plant succession on bare rock soil. The moisture is very important role for the growing of the plants. The plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of the algae. So the plant is when we are going to discuss, then the bryophytes, it is the thallus, like the prostrate or erect and attached to the substratum by unicellular or multicellular rhizoids that lack true roots, stem or leaves. They may possess root-like, leaf-like or stem-like structures. The main plant of the body bryophyte is haploid. It produces gametes, hence it is called the gametophyte. What produce gametes? So it is known as the gametophyte. What? The bryophyte. The sex organ of bryophytes are multicellular, not unicellular, multicellular. The male sex organ is called antheridium. They produce biflagellate antherozoids. The female sex organs called archegonium is flask shaped and produces a single egg. What shaped? Flask shaped. The antherozoids are released into water where they come in contact with archegonium, and antherozoid fuses with the egg to produce the zygote. So as you know, the sperm and ovum connect to each other and produce the zygote. Zygotes do not undergo reduction division. Immediately they produce as a multicellular body called the aprophyte. The sporophyte is a sperophyte. A sporophyte is not free living but attached to the photosynthetic gametophyte and derives nourishment from it. Photosynthetic, as photosynthesis, you know, that is the photosynthetic. It some cells of the sporophyte undergo reduction division, meiosis. Mitosis, meiosis, have you heard? Have you know? In biology, that meiosis is the reduction division. Meiosis is the reduction division, and to produce haploid spores. Haploid based on the meiosis, that is known as the reduction division, also known as the meiosis. These spores germinate to produce gametophyte. Bryophytes in general are little economic importance, but some mosses provide food for the herbaceous mammals, birds and other animals. So species of the sphagnum moss provide peat that have long been used as fuel and packing material for transshipment of living material because of their capacity to hold water. Then living materials when logistic uses. Mosses along with the lichens are the first organism to colonize rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. They decompose rocks, making the substrate suitable to the growth of higher plants. Since mosses from the dense mass on the soil. They reduce the impact of falling rain and prevent soil erosion. So importance you will see here, and the bryophytes are divided into liveworts and mosses. We will discuss in the next time liveworts and mosses. That is a part of bryophytes, and you have seen the importance of the bryophytes. In haploid and meiosis division, you will see reduction division and multicellular and the sex organs and the amphibians. So we will meet in the next session with lot more. Till then, thank you for your understanding, and thanks for watching the video, and keep studying. Thank you very much.